Good morning, class 2. Hope you all are good. I am your English teacher and my name is Rafia Munawar. So open your Read Now book and the page number is 54. Today we are going to start reading of the poem which is Caterpillar. So write CW and short date which is 15/1/2021. Dear students, a caterpillar is a small, long animal which has many legs that feeds on the leaves and the plants. So let's start the reading of the poem. Brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry. Take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk or what not. What is the color of the caterpillar? Brown and furry. What is the meaning of furry? Furry means hairy. You can see here how the long hair caterpillar has. Dear students, hurry means hasten or quickly. Shady means shady means having or giving shade. Dear students, stalk means long, thick part of a plant is called stalk. And now we will explain these lines. What the poet is trying to tell us. The poet is trying to tell us that brown and hairy caterpillar is walking quickly. Caterpillar is going to hide himself under the shady leaves or a long thick part of a plant. Now we will read the next lines which may be the chosen spot. No toad spay you. Hovering bird of prey pass by you, spin and die to live again a butterfly. Dear student, chosen means having selected. Spot mean a particular place. Spy means watch secretly. Hovering means birds which are moving round and round. Bird of prey means a bird that eats small animals. Spin mean rotate or roll. So now we will see the explanation of these lines. Caterpillar is walking quickly. Why he is walking quickly? Caterpillar is going to hide himself under a shady leaf or long thick part of a plant. Or may he is going to other place. He wants to hide himself from Toad. What is Toad? He is hiding himself from Toad. This is called Toad. And he is the enemy of Caterpillar. And he wants to hide himself from the birds that eat small animals. And he wants to hide himself from the birds that eats small animals. These birds are also enemy of the caterpillar. Spin and die to live again a butterfly. Now, what the poet is saying? The poet is saying spin and die to live again a butterfly. Poet is saying go and hide to himself in the cocoon to become a beautiful butterfly. Dear students, caterpillar can make a white layer of cocoon around themselves and they sleep in the cocoon until they become a beautiful butterfly. So the poet is saying go and roll a cocoon around yourself and sleep in it and till you become a beautiful butterfly. Dear students, have you seen how The caterpillar journey is difficult. From caterpillar to become a butterfly. I hope you all are understood. Take care and Allah Hafiz.